There you are. Hello, it's Daft Scots last year, and it's day 15 of the 30-day blog challenge. And today's topic is what you wouldn't leave home without, or what you can't leave home without. And well, the thing that I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm extremely short-sighted. I always go to wear contact lenses or my glasses. So today's post is about my glasses. I would not be able to leave home without them, either my contacts or my glasses. And I'm terrible with my contact lenses. I fall asleep with them. I get up in the morning and they're like stuck to my fucking eyeballs. And yeah, I just hate wearing my glasses. Everybody always tells me that I look like a librarian. And I'd rather not have people think that of me. Anyway, so I'm going to show you my glasses today. I don't often wear them, but here goes. This is my first pair of glasses. They're my brown ones, which kind of match my hair, and they're the most comfortable because they don't have those horrid little legs that get stuck in your hair when you put them up. So these are my most comfortable, and yeah, I know they're kind of dorky. And then I've got another pair of glasses, which are my blue ones. I don't wear these very hell, they're dirty. Okay, I haven't worn them in a while, really. But these are my blue ones, matching my blue eyes. And but yeah, these are the ones that people tell me that I look like the librarian, and I avoid wearing these at all costs unless I want to intimidate somebody and piss them off. But not only do I wear glasses, I've got this need to buy dozens of pairs of sunglasses. Now, normal people have one or two pairs of sunglasses. I've got dozens. And believe it or not, even though I'm as blind as a fucking bat, I don't have one pair of prescription sunglasses. So feel free to get your optometrist friends to call me to organize me a pair. They're damn expensive here. And so I'm going to share some of my sunglass fetish with you as well. These are the regular old pair that I wear most days. I like them because of the colour. It's nice and bright. And we've got a bit of bling on the side. Take note, take note. Um, I'm not one that spends a fortune on sunglasses. I don't buy Gucci. I don't buy Chanel. I don't buy all the really expensive brands because I'm extremely clumsy with my sunglasses. I shove them in my handbag. They get scratched all the time. I never put them in the box. I sit on them, I stand on them, my kids play with them, so I don't spend a fortune on sunglasses. In fact, the sunglasses that I've got here are probably not more than 200 rand each. These ones are also like pretty much regular day wear. I like to wear these in the pool as well because the reflection in the water and the really harsh African sun. So I like the dark ones. Um, And then of course I've got my orange ones. These are obviously my favourite colour. And they don't go with everything, but you know what? Daft Scots last wears them with everything nevertheless, because that's how she rolls. And then what have I got here? This is just another pair of black, regular old Joe sunglasses. And then my latest addition would be these like a purple ones. They're also pretty stealthy, and these are lovely and bright. They make everything look so crystal clear, and they're trendy at the same time. A little bit of a squeeze thing going on, and oh, you know what? I could go on and show you forever, but it's like boring, and I'm sure you people that don't have a sunglass fetish are sleeping already. So that's day 15 of the 30-day blog challenge. And can you believe that we're halfway through? Bet you're all glad to hear that. Just a little bit of extra news is that yesterday was my 11th wedding anniversary. Yes, thank you very much. Send gifts and cash, whatever you think is appropriate. And I got this little item from my Boerewors for my anniversary. It's a little silver key to his heart. Lot. And it's got little diamonds in it that I got spoiled rotten. So see you soon for the next video for the 30-day vlog challenge. And okay, that's about it.